Keep it simple. I'm gonna put some oil on there, salt. And I like the kosher salt because it gives, I don't know if it's like the larger granules, but it just really does make a difference to what you're doing. So we're gonna put the cast iron pan here, and then we'll slide this. We're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of oil on here too. So we want it to be nice and oiled up, because we're gonna be greasing that baby. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use a paper towel and do it like that. Get that out of the way. So anyway, hope everybody's doing good tonight. I had that one video where I basically made leftover spaghetti in the cast iron, and I got one lady that said something, I mean, she kind of had a point, and so I apologize. I mean, I could have done a little bit better leftover video, but you know, it is what it is. You learn as you go. So again, I'm just taking the oil, as you can see, I'm just coating it real good, because I mean, we want this to be nice and crispy. At the same time, we want it to cook through. And no, I didn't poke holes in it with a fork. Some people like to do that, but I don't. You know, I've been doing this for years, and this is the way I like to do it. And so that's what I'm gonna do. And I hope maybe you can try it and you'll like it. So anyway, we're gonna do the last potato, because it's just me and my wife tonight. The kids are off, so it's like date night. And we're gonna have baked potatoes, because the kids don't like baked potatoes, so that's what we're gonna do, because we like baked potatoes. So again, I'm just trying to get it coated as well as possible. And so now you can see what they're gonna look like before we put them in the oven, or the toaster oven, I should say. All right, oven time. Got that cast iron. We're gonna put that baby in there, and we're gonna put the temperature to 400, and we're gonna start at 35 minutes. And we're gonna see what that baby looks like here in a little bit. Hang tight. All right, we got about a minute, 38 seconds left. Check these out. I'm gonna give them a flip. A little flipperoonie. Ooh, you see that? See that right there? The dark color. Looking nice. Flip that baby. All right, then we're gonna put these back in. We're gonna go ahead and go another, let's say, whoops, wrong button. We'll go another 25 minutes. They should be good. All right, we got a minute and 41 seconds. I'm gonna check them. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Right there. Oh. Tell me you don't want some of that right there. Those babies are so pretty. Look at that. So we're gonna let those, basically I'm just gonna leave it in the cast iron. I'm gonna put it on the stove, and then we're gonna cut into them. So now, that's my potato right there. Woo. No butter or anything. Look at that. All right, those potatoes are cooled off. Look at those babies. Nice and golden brown. You see them? Look at that from that cast iron. Perfect. I mean, I wish you could be here tonight. This is Heath Haley from East Texas Duct Tape. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you would like and subscribe so we can keep doing this. Thank you and God bless.